Alright, so most of us know that 3 miles is the furthest you could see because of the Earth's curve. Google will tell you, based off of the curve of the Earth, standing on a flat surface with your eyes about 5 feet above this flat surface, the furthest edge that you can see is about 3 miles. Just going to ignore the fact that they are basing their math on a flat surface. Instead, I want to show you this Google result. It says here that on a clear day, city buildings can be seen from 50 miles away if you are standing on the ground. But why is that funny? Besides the obvious fact that 50 miles is much further than 3 miles, they claim that while standing on the ground, you could see cities that are 50 miles away. If you were to look into the average height of a skyscraper, you would see that they're minimum 330 feet tall. 330 feet. So exactly how much curvature would there be from 50 miles if you were standing on the ground looking at these buildings? A very simple Google search would reveal that if you were standing on the ground and looking 50 miles, the horizon would be about 3 miles away, which does not go with the statement here. And not only is the horizon supposed to only be 3 miles away, the buildings that are 50 miles away would be covered by 1,473 feet of curvature. What this means is on a clear day from 50 miles away, you are allegedly able to see buildings in the distance. These buildings from 50 miles away would be well over 1,400 feet beneath the curve. And if the average height of a skyscraper is 330 feet, how is it you believe you were seeing a building 50 miles away that would be 1,473 feet beneath the curve? To better help you understand that, the Empire State Building is 1,454 feet to the tip. So from 50 miles away, you would not be able to see the Empire State Building if the Earth were a ball. If that is the case, how is this statement here correct? How many of you have ever seen further than 3 miles on your globe Earth? How many of you even knew that you should only be able to see 3 miles on your globe Earth? I bet this is something that a lot of you do not understand. It is an observable fact, however, that you can see these cities from 50 miles away. You don't need NASA to do this. And something as simple as seeing buildings from 50 miles away kills your globe Earth dead in its tracks. Globe Earthers love to look up to the sky to prove their Earth is a ball, but what you will never see a globe Earther do is measure the curve. You will never see them use the calculations of their globe Earth to prove their globe Earth. They blame refraction for why you could see these buildings from so far away. You're just seeing a mirage. Do not think for yourself. Just follow the globe and do exactly what you're told. Just don't complain about the consequences from your complacency.